Hello? Hello? Hey.
I'm sorry to call you late. I seen Craig was the food truck.
What?
The food truck was there.
Yeah.
You sleepy?
I'm Steven.
I said, are you sleepy?
No. Am I sleeping?
Yeah.
Hell no. I party all night.
Where are you located?
South side at the big oak tree.
What you trying to get for it?
What you trying to give me for it?
You don't have that many pictures inside, man. That's all it is.
Come on.
What?
Give it to me straight.
I said, I can't see what's inside, for real.
It got grills, a couple deep fryers, or mini refrigerator. Got a brand new
Last time you sold food out of the truck?
generator. A couple weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah. Food. My specialty was peanut butter fried balls.
The truck drivable?
Hell yeah.
Oh.
You can drive across country right now.
You on the south side?
Yeah.
Okay, you know where the Crown gas station?
I know where
Where
my
Jimmy
penis
Park?
is hurting. I live near the big oak tree on south side by the Crown gas station.
You know where the Crown gas station?
Yeah, I lived in it for 2 years. It's very spacious.
Okay, and the truck is gas or diesel?
Diesel. And gas.
Gas is the generator, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna call you tomorrow.
No, you won't.
Oh, no?
You call me now.
I'm calling you now, but I mean... Yeah.
This is the 15th phone call. This is the 15th phone call I got in 30 minutes.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I mean, you think this truck's going
My first time going to Craigslist for like a year.
$500 for this truck? $575, and you acting like you don't know what's inside of it.
No.
You can recycle the truck more than $500. It's got a $900 generator on it.
You have the title for it?
Horse shit. This is horse shit. Yeah, I got a title to it.
Okay, would you drive it to me? I'm like a mile away from you.
I'm not drive. You gonna make me pay my gas money to drive diesel money to drive to you?
Well, I want to see it and buy it. How I want to do it?
Let me tell you something.
Yes, sir.
What are you gonna sell out of it? Crystal meth? What kind of food you selling?
No, I have a convenience store and I have deli inside, so I don't mind putting it outside in the weekend and have my guy cook something. I'm a Golden Food Market, Yorktown, whichever it is.
I like you. You got spunk.
I mean...
How interested are you?
500, I can't go wrong with this, Joe.
You can't go wrong. Not in today's recession.
What do you say, Bob?
You can't go wrong in today's economy.
You said you want to make it happen tonight, so I'm asking if you can drive it to my grocery store before I close.
Can you make it happen?
To the money.
Make me an offer.
You just said 500. I mean,
A handshake, a whopper, and a friendship. No, 500's too low.
That's what you have, 575.
Yeah, that's 5 cents. You said 500.
That's what I heard you say.
Don't horseshit me.
I mean, the 75 is not going to hurt me if it's, I mean, if you come here on everything, if I buy it, man. I have no problem. I'll buy it.
I have no problem either. The generator, I paid $900 for the generator. So of course you're not gonna have.
Attached to it?
Yeah, the generator's attached to it, to the hip.
Okay.
I do this every day. I build these food trucks and I sell them. I lose money. But it doesn't matter.
That's the same one in the picture, mister?
Very clean, but it smells like toots. It's a very clean truck. It's got a brand new in 2011 inspection sticker.
You said that's the same one I'm looking at the picture, yes?
Ah! Yes.
I have to get the permit for it.
Permit? You go to the Waffle
I have
House.
to get the permit to sell food.
Yeah, you go to the Waffle House.
Waffle House
Yeah.
get the permit?
Yeah, Waffle House gets you going.
To get a permit to sell food?
Yes,
Waffle House
the
gives you
Waffle House will help you get it going, sir. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Waffle House work for the full health department?
Yes, they're link. It's a link. It's a stepping stone. That's how you get
Okay,
going.
drive to me if you don't.
I don't have a driver's license.
I'll give you a $10 diesel.
I'll give you a DUI.
Are you drunk, man?
I'll give you a DUI.
I don't know.
I'm not sure if I can drive. I'm legally blind. I got no knuckles. 4 of my fingers are missing.
Oh, well.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh Lord.
That's what happens when you stick your hand to the wrong place, Pop.
Yeah, where did I stick them?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Must be a carpenter or something. Who knows?
Yeah, my butt. What kind of stuff you sell at your store?
I sell, beer, clothes, groceries, steak and cheese, wings.
Holy
cheeseburger,
shit.
All that crap.
Stick and cheese.
But I close at 12. I bet you leave now. But
Oh, are you right on the corner?
I'm still at close the building yet. I'm leaving now because I'm using the store phone. I can't leave while we're talking.
Oh,
The phone.
oh, okay. All right, well,
What's the deal?
I'll call you.
Show it to me or what?
I'm drunk. Drunk. Bye.
You say you're drunk?